This is John Tucci with EverBlue Lakes here in Pennsylvania at one of the most amazing lake transformations we've ever seen in one season, all due to our new AutoBio technology. This lake in June looked much more like a swamp or a wetland covered shore to shore with weeds and lily pads. You could barely get a boat in and out and up and down through the center of this lake. And now you can see it's completely clear. No chemical herbicides were used to achieve these results. It's all as a result of our aeration and our new AutoBio technology reworking and transforming the bottom and the nutrients at the bottom, the compost pile at the bottom of this lake, over the course of just one season, and making this lake a much healthier environment for fish and for turtles and birds and for people, and making it a less hospitable environment for all of the algae and weed growth that was covering this lake from shore to shore. Just an amazing transformation. We'll cut in pictures and video from earlier in the season so you can see. And really the headline here is that our AutoBio continuous biological treatment technology is the most transformational tool we've seen in 2 decades in this business. This is one of many success stories this season. This lake does have more ways to go, and there might be some, it is fall, so there might be some seasonal impact to some of these weeds dropping out, but in past Septembers and Octobers, this lake actually looked worse in September, October of those seasons than it did in June and July. So just a phenomenal start to this project. And in fact, this is a lake that for several years we advised them not to put the expenditure into aeration or conventional biological treatment, because we just didn't think we could get a good enough result fast enough for a reasonable amount of money to help this community. And this year with the AutoBio technology, we said, yep, we're ready to go. We think we can do it. It's going to be fast, it's going to be reasonable, and you can see the results, and the community is just thrilled that they've got their lake back. John Tucci with EverBlue Lakes, amazing here in Pennsylvania. Give us a call if your lake needs help with muck, weeds, and algae. We can transform your lake, especially with the combination of our patented aeration technology and our new AutoBio continuous treatment method. Contact us at everbluelakes.com or give us a call at 269-389-3400.